guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be meal prepping and ingredient prepping, getting all of our snacks organized and all of that good stuff. I just did a big BJ's and Walmart haul, so if you have missed that video, make sure you go check that out. But now I need to put everything away, organize everything. We're gonna make some breakfast things. We are going to cut up all of our produce. We are going to take care of our snacks. I got some new snack containers and all of that good stuff. So let's see, what else? I'm just getting over that summer cold, as you guys know, so I still have like that little bit of a frog in my throat. But we are just going to do tons of meal prep. It's been a while since I have meal prepped or shared it with you guys here, so I figured I would give you a good little inspiration to get some meal prepping done in your house. If you guys like these videos, I do cleaning and organizing and motherhood videos and grocery hauls and all that fun stuff on my channel, so I would love for you to subscribe. But let's get started. First things first, I need to get a pair of slippers and I need to put on Bravo. Bravo or E is my two favorite things that I like to watch when I am meal prepping, just because it's like mindless and I can kind of, you know, just listen to this nonsense. I hate Below Deck, so it's gonna be Keeping Up with the Kardashians. All right, let's get going. So I got these new like snack holders for the kids to try, and I thought they were just like the perfect size. Super cute. So I'm gonna fill them with like Cheez-Its and veggie sticks, and you could put anything in them, honestly, but I'm gonna wash probably like 10 of them. It comes in a huge box of like 36. I don't need all of those. I'm sure I can either repurpose them, or if we do end up wanting more, but like the kids, they can just take these and prep their lunches and they can fit in their lunchbox like this, nice and clean and tidy. So I'm gonna just put these in the sink, wash these first so those can be drying, and then I am going to tackle all of the produce.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip now, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless.
All right, now I'm just going to try a breakfast recipe. It's like potatoes, and then you just put eggs, like scrambled eggs. I'm gonna do some eggs and egg whites, and then you just kind of cook it all together. And then you like sprinkle some cheese on top. You can put salsa, you can put anything like that. So I'm just gonna make a small batch for Kevin and I to have tomorrow, just to try it out, and then I will make a bigger batch if we like it to do meal prep. So I'm just gonna cut up the potatoes. If I do, what I'll do next time is I'll make 2 separate batches and make one with onions and peppers and stuff like that. For me, Kevin does not like onions and peppers, so I will not put that in his. But I'm gonna do like 3 eggs, egg whites, and then potatoes. So I'm gonna try that out. I mean, I don't know how bad it could possibly be, but I'm just gonna make a small batch just for now and try it out.
I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
not clean your veggies in very cold water and white vinegar, you need to start. Like, the amount of stuff, it's really hard to see on camera, but like this water is disgusting. And I just let it sit there, and then I rinse everything off in this. And then I'm just gonna cut everything up and cut all of the strawberries up and put it in this container. But seriously, start washing your produce in, I swear there's like stuff moving over there. It's like a little bug or something, I don't know, it's gross. But wash your produce in cold water and white vinegar.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with
In our front pantry, I put all of these little snack containers. I can definitely do more, but I just want to try them out first to see if we like them and the kids like them and they wash well in the dishwasher and all of that. But that is how they are. I really like it, and I think it will just save on a lot of waste because the kids will put stuff in like little bowls and things, and they end up like leaving them out and they get stale and all that. So I figured this might be just an easier way. But I hope you guys enjoyed this meal prep video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and comment down below and let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.